The best style ever. Do you see any problem? I don't see. I bought an espresso machine. I can't see anything.
Hello, how are you? I am under the water. Please help me. Here too much raining.
It was close to fell. God, you. I need a boyfriend. I don't know what its name is. I don't know what it's the brand. The only thing that I know is that I bought it. It's beautiful. This coffee machine is gonna change my miserable world. How should I work with you? Let's read the guide paper. Never mind. Let's turn it on. Yeah. Some ASMR. This is the double. I'm sweating. I'm hot. You make me hot. Baby. Thank you, baby. Oh. Hello, baby. Hello. So, this beautiful friend should do something special for her. Wow. Technologia. I think it's ready. I should do this and then turn this beautiful on. Yes, baby. Everything is really hard when I'm filming. Shut the fuck up. And now I think it's ready to make an espresso. Oh my god. That's it. I'm in heaven. Thanks for watching. Bye.